Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Fiverr affiliate account. If you haven't watched my video where I teach the step-by-step method on how to create a Fiverr affiliate account, I'll put it in the description box below. After you've logged into your Fiverr affiliate account, the next thing you want to do is to go to Google and search any niche on the search bar. You can search restaurants, hotel, real estate, any niche of your choice. What I do most of the time is to add the country to the niche or the keyword that I'm using. For example, salon in USA. This is to enable me get a global audience since Fiverr is a global freelancing platform. I'm going to use salon as an example, then I'll add the country that I want to target. After searching, click on maps and Google will show you all the businesses that are available in this niche. Next thing you want to do is to come over to this section that says rated, and you want to look for businesses that are performing poorly on Google My Business. All you need to do is to select the rating like 2.0, 2.5 or anything less than 4.5 is not performing well. I'm going to select 2.0 for example. So after you select 2.0 rating, then you check for business that has low rating on Google My Business. Then when you see any business that you want to use, so I'm just going to be using this business as an example, then you click on it. And when you click on it, scroll down and open their website. On the website, you want to look for the contact us page, which is this. You can see they have an email address here. If they have an Instagram, if they have a Facebook, whatever channel that you can use to reach out to them and let them know you can help them fix their rating on Google My Business. Because with a good rating, they tend to get more customers and make more money. So the next step is to come over to Fiverr and search for GMB ranking. Once you do that, you will see various sellers on Fiverr who are going to help people fix their ranking on Google My Business. I'm going to take this person for example. You want to use someone who has a good rating on Fiverr. Also choose a seller who has a reasonable price on Fiverr. You can see his ratings, at least he has 119 5-star rating and his price is also fair. His basic is $5, his standard is $15 and his premium is $35. Choose a seller who has a reasonable price on Fiverr from $10 to $50 is fair enough. Once you find a seller with a reasonable price and a good review, there is Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. CPA means cost per action. What Fiverr CPA means is that you get paid between $15 to $150 for every purchase that is made through your affiliate link. While Fiverr Hybrid means you will pay $10 for 10% for the next 12 months for whatever that person purchased on Fiverr. When you scroll down, you will see the prices with their category. And since we are using Google My Business ranking, which is under digital marketing category, and the amount for you to get paid is $30. SEO and digital marketing, the amount is $30. As long as the person is a first-time buyer, you are going to get paid $30. There is another way to search for businesses in different countries. Go to your map, zoom into the global map, select the country, which is Canada. You can see, click on search this area. Now we have different salons in Canada. You can target any business from any part of the world. So when you're on the website of a business and you notice they don't have an email, you can send them a message using any available contact address. It can be their Facebook, their YouTube, their Instagram, or their Pinterest. You can see there are different avenues for you to send message. Even using their phone number, you can send them a WhatsApp message. Please create a new Gmail account to send them an email message. Let it be an active email account that they can reach out to. You can write a message telling them the importance of Google My Business and how it can get them more clients. When they reply the email that you are sending out, copy the Fiverr link of the seller you want to use and send it to them. This is the Fiverr link of the seller that you want to use and send it to them. And once they purchase that gig, you receive your commission. Before then, go to your affiliate account on Fiverr. This is the affiliate account on Fiverr. Click on marketing tools. Select default and deep links. You can see there are different methods here: Fiverr CPA, Fiverr hybrid. It depends on what you want or what is okay for you. I normally go for CPA. Next thing you want to do is to click on this LPURL, which means landing page URL, and you paste the link that you've copied. That's this Fiverr link that you've copied of the seller. Copy the seller's Fiverr link, come to your Fiverr dashboard on LPURL, which is landing page URL. You copy and you paste it, and you click on enter. So you can see we have the Fiverr CPA and the Fiverr hybrid. All you have to do is to copy the link from the CPA if that's what you want, or hybrid. Then let's say I want to copy the one for the CPA. Then you go to URL shortener, link shortener, and you paste it here, and you shorten this URL link. After you shorten this link, you copy it, and this is what you'll be sending out to your clients when they reply your messages. And if they make a purchase, you get your commission. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.